My name is I'm a CEO of Geek Girls Carrots. Geek Girls Carrots is a non-profit organization that was born in Poland, in Warsaw, over 7 years ago, and right now operates globally. Our mission is to make tech more diversified by attracting new talents. So it started in 2011. They started to organize meetups because they believed in the power of peer-to-peer learning and knowledge sharing. And since then, we actually became quite big because we operate not only in Poland but also in different countries, from Geneva to Moscow, from Gdańsk to Melbourne or Sydney, Australia. Actually, I believe also in power of partnership, so I like to work with the organizations that are already existing and that we can create a network and exchange knowledge. We organize those meetups where there is 1-2 speakers, sometimes free but not very often. And they speak about the backstage of their job, so how they get there, what was necessary, what kind of courses they finished or studies they took, what they do, what are the projects that they are developing right now. So it enables to a little bit demystify the sector and show for the young professionals, so the people who are freshly graduated or are still students or have professional experience but want to change the job, to see how they can evolve in their careers and how can they get a new job or change job or be involved in the new project. That's one way. A second way is that by organizing those coding workshops, but not only coding, we organize workshops about the methodologies, about prototyping, different aspects of tech. So we give the hands-on experience, we show how new methods, and we enable people to gain new skills as well and to see if they really fit if it's something that they want to continue. And there are those events we organize really on the very regular basis, like each 6 weeks in different cities all over the country. There are also ad hoc actions like partnerships that we create sometimes with corporate sector to organize bigger events or at the bigger scale. And here the example is, for example, the Carrots Academy that we ran last year with Accenture, our strategic partner, where we were able to create a 3 weeks long, very intensive course for upskilling. So actually we were teaching very hard skills to girls in the sector of SAP, business intelligence and e-commerce, and then we mix that also with some courses on soft skills, building personal brand. We create mentor-mentee couples, and all this package enabled girls not only to evolve and to gain new skills, but also to be actually hired by Accenture. So based on this 3-week school academy, there was a whole recruitment process ongoing. The tech sector in Poland is really flourishing. There are several major hubs in the country. There is several actions that support entrepreneurship and innovation in the country, which are of course supported by the European Union and structural funds, which plays also a very important role here. So a lot of funds for R&D and innovation development, but also funds that enabled to establish first VC, so venture capital funds, because we are like in all these post-communist countries, the capital is still something that was missing, and that we needed public support to establish those. So this is, I think, very exciting moment to start your company in the country and think about your career in tech.